rồi.
Lung lung mà đấy.
Hello, Gobi.
Anne kopya civarın kim?
There are a lot of stalls here. There's shops and there's a lot of stalls here because they usually sell a lot of stuff. We are going to a monastery.
뒤에 봐. 우산아가 우산아가 한번 모발지 딱으로 와. 전에 딱 앉으면 뒤에 봐. 뒤에 아니 한참 뒤로 모르면
We are going to Deer Park, which is an which is like a park for being allowed to stroll around. There's like a bunch of activities and everything. There's even a boat riding place there. There are a bunch of stalls and theme rides, stuff like that in there as well. So I hope it'll be a really fun experience.